Now, you said you like the scale. I know you mentioned that to me before today. So
Absolutely.
what do you like about the scale?
What I like is, so all of these ingredients that you've seen me use are pre-measured on the scale. So you can drop them right into this bowl, measure everything, and then just put it into your ingredient bowl separately. So I absolutely love that. It helps with so much time. You don't have to keep washing and doing all this because you can use your bowl to weigh everything.
Awesome.